This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
This is my husband Stephen, and that's me, Jess. And before 2020, we did things like this until we had this. Meet Hunter. We then spent last summer converting a van into a tiny house, moved out of our home, and began our full-time van life journey around Australia. Last week, we travelled the furthest away from home as we made our way to Darwin to prepare for the big next chapter of our story, the true blue Aussie outback, the Northern Territory.
The next month is going to be so interesting as we show you one of Australia's most unique territories that's 6 times the size of the UK. It's still closer for us to get to Bali than Bondi, and has 2 very different climates. Wet tropics up here in the north, but in the south we're going to show you those dry red dirt roads Australia is known for.
I think Darwin has been Hunter's favourite spot so far. We've been here for a few days now, and we've just been spending our time at the caravan park, swimming at the pool, going to night markets, eating lots of food, which is Hunter's favourite thing to do.
We went for a swim,
And today we thought we would take it down to a beach, so we found a spot called Darwin Waterfront. We got here, there are all these awesome little seats to sit on, all free. There's a safe water over there, no crocs, which is a good thing up here in Darwin. And I just worked out we can order food and they will bring it to our seat.
Come on! I know if anything that's going to get you to walk, it's the water. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Oh, getting brave. Remember in 80 Mile Beach, you were not ready to go for a walk. Now you're just going through, splashing. It is a chilly winter's day up here in the Northern Territory. It's 34 degrees today, so having a spot to swim is amazing. That's all we've been chasing. Hunter's definitely at the counterproductive age with building sandcastles. No, we need to.
So we've just worked out you can order food and drinks and they'll bring them here. This is so cool. I cannot believe this is all free. Well, the food isn't free, but like the experience is free, which is so cool. It makes me feel like we're staying at a resort.
Even though it's just run by the government.
Yeah. It's
just like a public pool.
It's so cool. I've also ordered a lot of food.
I'll have you.
Are you ready? I've ordered tacos and corn and margaritas. Ready? I'm gonna order it and then let's see how long it takes to come.
Did you tell them our chair?
They must know because you did the little QR code.
All right.
Looks like everyone's happy I chose Mexican.
Very happy.
I even got margaritas. They say this one's a spicy one. It's spicier than a vindaloo. Try it. It's so spicy. Wow. Oh my gosh, he's about to eat all the salsa. You don't even realise, I'm not even lying. That is the spiciest drink I've had in my life.
Oh!
Wash it down with a lime.
What is that? What is that?
These I've been... Okay, so we ordered from a place called Hot Tomales, and look at this. They're called ribbed corn, or corn on a rib, or something.
Oh, is that what it is? It looks like sushi.
Corn. And it's got feta and like hot stuff on it. I don't know. It looks so good. Oi! You cheeky. Corn. Barbecued char-grilled corn.
My reaction to trying the drink. Dinner is sorted.
This is like the best meal I've had in so long.
Hunter just makes all chairs look humongous. This looks like a girl who enjoyed her time in Darwin. We just got to the food markets and we were just greeted to the most epic NT sunset. Wow. Look at those colours.
Okay, we thought Cable Beach had good sunsets. I think Darwin might be on top now. It was honestly so nice to have a few days off as a family, enjoying our time before we begin the massive drive we had ahead of us.
So the big journey has begun. Little did we know would take us over 20 hours to get to the centre of Australia. Just 25 minutes shorter than the longest flight in the world from Singapore to New York City.
Okay, today is the day. Our NT adventure, I feel like, is officially starting. We have left Darwin and we are heading to our first spot, Kakadu. But before we go there, we've stopped up at a place because I heard that there is a local legend that we need to meet.
Give it a good Aussie go, mate. And you guys are the choc tops with the flake and the sprinkles on top. Yeah. I don't need to look it up now.
Now, what do I hear? Oh, let's see if he'll fall.
The saltwater crocodile is the largest predator in Australia and very common throughout the Northern Territory.
Like we said, just be aware that Damo's watching.
Oh my goodness. Do you see the
But yeah, we try.
The scientific name for saltwater crocodiles is a crocodilus process, but as if Australians would say that, we just shorten it nice and sweet and call them salties. They mostly eat fish, but honestly will get their claws on anything they can overpower, from buffaloes to cows, and around 1 or 2 people a year.
I mean, it's soon doesn't get that through on it. Just about
There's
here,
2 of them now.
further down towards the bridge. And Stumpy, his neighbour, is just
This one's eyeing us off. What are you...
Look at that big fat belly. Hey?
He's talking about yours.
Someone's been doing all right for himself.
Okay, after getting way too close and Hunter finding a new favourite animal, we continued on our journey. Someone has a new favourite animal, spotting the crocodiles everywhere.
Kind of cool, just topping up fuel in the next town over, and even the hotels here in Kakadu are shaped like crocodiles. Welcome to Kakadu National Park, everybody, but before we get started, I bought something in Darwin. I feel like every couple of days this just turns into a bomb, but the focus is, we got a new mat. This is your new yoga mat.
Are you doing yoga?
Where's Hunter? Alright, have we got a new walking mat for you? Come on, we're getting so close. So for the longest time we had this brilliant $20 Kmart picnic rug, but it was good for picnics at the park, but not so much for the different environments we're going to.
Okay, we may be now obsessed with Thai food. It's a good invention. I've made green Thai curry for dinner, and now we need to make a game plan for Kakadu National Park because this place is quite four-wheel drivesy, and as we know, Cooper, he's not a four-wheel drive, so we're going to have a little look on our map, here's the national park, and try to work out what we're going to get up to. But first, I think, yes, it's curry time, isn't it?
Yum.
I feel like there's heaps of Billabongs to explore. The next morning, we woke up before the sunrise to do our most memorable experience so far on our van life journey. One that did not involve a van, but instead a cruise down the yellow water Billabong. It's hard not to compare what we have seen before, but watching the sun slowly poke up amongst the haze of the morning mist made us think of our times in Africa.
So as our eyes adjusted to the morning light, we could slowly start to see just what was lurking around our little boat. I think I'll be saving my morning bath for back at the campground. So with a little fear sprinkled in and awe from the scenery and the sunrise, I think this morning will be hard to top. If you're traveling through Australia, we cannot recommend this enough. I swear it's in here somewhere. So if you guys saw our van build series, you would have seen the thing that delayed us the longest, as in months, was the awning. And if you've watched the van life series, you would have seen that we've yet to use the awning.
Okay, so there's two ways you can see this story. The first way is Jess broke the awning on one of the first nights on our van life trip. Steve, you do it, you do it. Second way is that you could say Steven did because he didn't give me very good direction. I love how the first time I'm ever doing the awning, we're already 4 hours away from home, so we hope this works.
So you can do it.
What do I do? This, and then
twist.
twist. Even now, okay, here we go.
You like going so carefully.
Yes.
That's not the bit you broke.
So this bit I can go out.
Yeah.
Here we go, listening to your directions again.
All right, stop. There's another bit. These. I'm just trying to remember. It was so
Wait,
long ago.
what?
Okay, these need to come out.
What do I do, Steve? I don't want to break it.
There we go. Twist that. Cool.
Twist it.
Yeah, and then this needs to go into that. Yeah, keep going down.
Steve, you do it. You do. Here's the big broken leg that's not meant to hang off.
Right back there, below the air fryer, still in its new packaging. Never bought a toolbox in my life, so we just grabbed we just grabbed one which we think will have everything, a little bit of everything, 66 piece. There's got to be something in here that's going to help us. Okay, yeah. Are we ready to do our first fix job?
What do I do?
Have we broken the awning?
So we told RV Solutions that we may have broke the awning and are nice enough to go and send us a new piece. So all we need to do is put this piece on this bit.
Well, we need to take
Like
that bit
this.
off first.
Yes. Hang on, let's look at the instructions. I like how this has never been opened.
Hunter, do you want to do the honors? There we go. What do we need?
Like a wrench thing. Alright, so first, screwdriver.
A number 8 twisty thing, please. Oh, thank you, Tar. And righty-tighty.
Yeah, righty-tighty.
I hear noises. I think we did it. I think we fixed our first thing.
Can't say it until you put it up properly.
All right, let's try it. And then I think was that this needs to pop out. Look at us. Awning is our new match.
We're like just new people right now. This is so much better. And look how good she's at walking. Come on. She has just been, she's covered in mud. Come here. Oh dear.
Hey everyone, we just wanted to quickly say a massive thank you to Squarespace for their continued support of our channel. So if you are new around here, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily put together a website or blog. To share all the incredible photos and memories that we've been taking on our travels around Australia, we've been easily putting together blog posts thanks to Squarespace's award-winning template designs. So if you are new around here, interested in setting up a website, a link below so you can get a free trial plus 10% off your first purchase. Now let's head back to the travels.
You know we think we found a good sunset spot if I have our rug and I have our cheese board platter. We are going to go and watch the sunset. Here in Kakadu, it is very four-wheel drivesy, so it's really hard for us to explore. So we thought, hey, if we can't go and see all the waterfalls, why not we go find the next best thing, which is an epic lookout overlooking Kakadu National Park, and I'm hoping that that's what we have found. So we just got this little 300-metre walk up this hill, and this is meant to give us some amazing views over the national park.
No one's outside, just me and the breeze.
Seeing Jess walk up these rocks is totally giving me vibes. Remember when we were in the Glass House Mountains? And you were pregnant with Hunter? Now she's
And weighs a bit more.
strapped to your belly.
It's so beautiful. Oh no. So this is what happens when we invite Cheese Girl to the... Really, Hunter? Oh gosh.
She literally was like, I don't need any of this.
You know,
I just need the cheese.
Someone did say that we should make a little like Hunter cheese board that's just for her, and I think that's a good idea. Yeah. I'm getting in there before she does. Steve, quick, it's a free for all.
She's literally just... Oh no.
I don't really care about it anymore. Just don't think that it'd be fair if you came knocking on my door after all this time. After all this time, what do you expect me?
Got them nice and ready for you. That one's a good one?
Thanks.
Guess I could reach out.
She finally spotted the moon.
Oh, she?
After all that time, she just went moon. Well, she didn't say moon, but she pointed and went, oh, where's the moon? You see it now. Yeah, you see it.